ஆன் பண்ணணும். இது ஆன் பண்ணணும். இப்போ ஃபர்ஸ்ட் ஸ்லைடு இது இருக்கு. நெக்ஸ்ட் கொடுத்தா இது வராது. ஸோ என்ன பண்றீங்க? ஈதர் ஃபர்ஸ்ட்ல இருந்தே பிபிடி இதை ஃபாலோ பண்ணுங்க, இல்ல வீடியோஸ். அவர் உங்களை இன்ட்ரோ கொடுப்பார்ல, ஸ்டார்ட் ஆயிடுச்சு. இப்போ லைவ் தான், நோக்கில் இருக்கும். சாரி, தினங்க சார் இருக்கார், கேளுங்க, பேசுங்க.
மெசேஜ் கேட்போமா? நீ ஃபோனில் கேட்டுருமா?
ஃபோனில் மட்டும் ஆன்ல வச்சுக்கோங்க. இன்டராக்ட் பண்ணிக்கோங்க. நான் ஒரு 5 minutes வரேன்.
Sir, already we are into live.
Yeah.
So already we are into live. So okay. So good morning, participants. So once again, it is happy to see you all in the webinar initiative being taken by Chennai Institute of Technology. As everyone knows, so Chennai Institute of Technology was established in the year 2010 by our honorable chairman, Sri P. Sriram. And today our institute is on the top second position among all the private engineering colleges in Tamil Nadu. Not only it is being concentrated on academics, so a lot of initiatives are being taken to transform the students' life. So as an entrepreneur, so to have a good startup and to place the student in very good reputed industries, and to make the students to pursue for higher studies. So a lot of initiatives are being taken from Chennai Institute of Technology. So under this initiative today, we have Mr. Pragadish Subramanian, who is as the Chief Executive Officer of the TBI. Okay, so the lecture series what he will be giving will certainly they will initiate your or will stimulate your mind to go for a better startup. Okay, so thank you all to be with us. So Mr. Pradesh Subramanian sir, you can go ahead of your session now.
Yes, sir. Thank you, Nagaran sir. Thank you.
Okay, thank you.
It's a great pleasure to welcome you all for the webinar session. It's a great initiative, and also thanks for providing me the opportunity, and a great thanks to the chairman, Mr. Sriram sir. I think once again, brave morning to all. Normally, I just need one-to-one interactions to get interactions from the opponent people, but due to the pandemic situation, we people are not getting that conventional mode. So anyway, in time being, everyone have to cross the bridge. So this is the only platform we can have interaction, and we can have a nurturing session. TBI. So what we are going to see, the TBI. So the Technology Business Incubator. As well as from Chennai Institute of Technology in academic, also they have achieved a great success. Apart from that, the platform has been provided and initiated and created to establish a TBI. The TBI was initiated, the Chennai Institute of Technology Business Incubator. So people who are attending, whether a faculty or whether a student or whether an individual, just utilize the session. Maybe we'll get something from someone. We can't underestimate anyone. Everyone having different types of exposures. So get the exposures whenever you are getting a opportunity. So when the opportunity knocks you, you have to utilize it. So it won't again knocks your doors. The thing is, we want more startups. So the scenario, which is the topic itself we have given, so that that TBI to inspire, to innovate, to incubate, so to empower the self-employment. The scenario which we can see nowadays, the self-employment is the only way to get involved, and also we can provide employment to other people. Like it will create the economy into like we can alleviate the poverty also, and also like it's a long-term focus. So how can everyone can wait for a short-term focus if you join a company which will not a secure place for putting your creativity or putting your innovations, and also it's a tight environment we can see. So normally startups are coming forward. At the same time, still people having ideas, they also come forward to create that idea into reality. So TBI, we can say in simple word, like transformation of idea into reality. So like if you have idea, we can have a facilitation, we can support you, we can assist you in converting the idea into a reality mode, like into real-time implementation. Nowadays, there will be a technology interventions and advancement also in all the sectors. So it belongs to engineering, or belongs to arts and science, or belongs to agri. So whatever streams are there, everything, the innovations are there. So how we are going to bring out? So like everything is linked. For example, it's a farm to fork concept. If you see from agri, farm to fork concept, so like there will be a lot of supply chain managements are available. After cultivation, farm to fork, there will be a traveling, like different pathways are traveling. There are different opportunities are available. Nowadays the blockchain technology, so many things are coming forward. The technology which can bring out the traceability and reliability of the producers. Everyone is saying we are preferring organic producers, organic farming. So how can you believe that there will be a technology interventions required? So like produces from other people, technologies from other people, so both will be interlinked to get a real-time implementation. So like that, everyone have to come forward. Everyone has to be a business entrepreneur. So businessman, like normally it will change the world, it will make a revolutions. So like we can go for some presentations. Normally we will get some visual mode. So the platform has been initiated, which is for which I informed you earlier. It's for inspire and innovate and incubate to empower the self-employments. So it's a great intro to everyone. So what actually TBA does. So if you have an idea, you can approach us at any time. It's like a 24/7. People are coming forward to support your ideas, which can be transformed into a reality. So like once you have ideas, so like that only in the promo video, you can see that what actually the TBA doing, actually what is the process. So how can your ideas getting transformed into a reality? So like the process. So if you have ideas, you can pitch us. Whether what we will do, we will have a team and mentoring supports and have expert people. So we will review the ideas, whether the ideas having a feasible and the ideas having how can go to the market, and whether the ideas are unique, and whether the ideas are having a novelty. So based on that, we will support you with funding facilitation and also with an industry connect and networking. So market linkage, everything. Then finally, how your ideas getting into a prototype, and also it's getting converted into a market transformation, like that. The thing is, if you don't build your dreams, so like what Ambani said, so someone else will help hire you to help them build others. So like that, if you still don't build your dreams, someone will hire you, like that, what you are getting in your employment area. So like that's the thing. So we have to go for the self-employment. So now everyone knows about entrepreneur. What do you mean by entrepreneur? So normally, he's an inventor. We can say that he's an innovator. So like, he having idea. I think who are attending, everyone having idea, but how it's coming outside. So how he can bring out. So for that, we people are so giving a nurturing the sessions based on that, how we are trying to bring out from your mind or heart or everything. Like once we are having an idea, so we have to ignite it. We are igniting. So like how you can identify the opportunity. So once you have idea to identify the opportunity, everyone have ideas, but you have to test it whether it will fit the market, whether it will have a feasible, whether it will reach the all type of classes. So which class you are targeting, like from the social, from the market size. So for normally for any business, you have to analyze the market research. So based on the research only, whether see for any idea, what the scenario you have to follow it. So whether if you are trying to bring some innovations, whether it's reaching some societal values, whether it's raising impact of the society. So like that, you have to identify the opportunity, you have to match it, whether the idea matching the opportunity, and then you have to exploit the opportunity to build something value. So then only you will become a champion. So if you see that in entrepreneur, you should have the leadership qualities, not only leadership qualities, we will have different types of management skills. Normally, you people should have a management, then only you can convert the business into a successful model. So if you see, all businessman is a successful, we can't say that all businessmen is not a successful, but all businesses will be a successful. Then how can? So that you have to make a business model into like feasibility things and also productivity things. So you have to be an initiator, you have to be a manager, you have to be manage the cash flow, you have to be keep the productivity, and how you can manage the team, and how you are commanding, how you are directing, how you are controlling. So like all kind of response we should have. If you see the entrepreneurship in the name itself, we can see the leadership and informatics, technology, design, networking, computing. So everything will be there. If you start from L, it stands for leadership. It ends with P, it stands for passion. The people who having a love. So like if they will fight for the love, so if what they love, they want to achieve that love. So what they will do, they will fight for that. Same like if you have the goals, you should fight for it. So that's why if you're living in the world, you should have some passion. Otherwise, see, same normally you will pass the days like clouds only. So if you see what I explained you, so you should have the entrepreneur should have flexibility and self-confidence and tolerance factor. So all these things are there. So in entrepreneurship, what you have to do, so like you have to think big and act small and learn fast. So normally if you have idea, everyone will be a startup. So how we are going to build it, how we are going to break it, how we are going to innovate. So you have to think like a startup. So there are a lot of opportunity identification there. So how we are going to identify the opportunities. So normally for any business, what you will do, so you have to research the market, whether my business will fit the market, my business will fit the society, my business will reach the target customer. Like that, you have to find out the needs. So first of all, needs, and also normally for any solution. So how you are bring out the solution based on the problems and challenges. So like that, you have to assess the environment. So that is the foundation for entrepreneurship. Then you will get the idea recognition and generation. So normally for innovative ideas, what are the key steps? So the simple, you can see, you have to focus on good ideas. You have to consult more people. Normally you have to interact with the successful entrepreneurs. If you're going to a bakery, so how what kind of technology they're using? If it is a baking technology, so how the biscuit is going to bake it within 5 minutes or half an hour. So how many biscuits will come in a tray? So whether the technology is any update is there in the baking system. If you go for baking, normally before earlier days there will be an oven. Nowadays you can see the dropper is there, the cookies dropper is there. The cookies dropper is come with PLC, so program like controller. So like that advancement of coming upgrading, it's daily, day to day. So like you have to keep design thing, like the key is the main design for you, and you have to talk to the smart people. So what I bring out once again, the 4 ways to identify your business opportunities. So that is the thing we have to listen. You have to listen to potential clients. So what they are saying. So what are the past issues, like that. You have to listen to your customer. There are your for any businessman, customer is our main focus, and the customer is the one which they are designing our business. Like that, you have to see the competitors, and you have to see the trend sets. What are the trends going? So normally in trends, the industry having a lot of trends are going. So what are the insights? Like if you see the hashtag, so how you are promoting the social networks. See, for any businessman, simply I want to point out, you have to promote yourself. If you want to think yourself as a brand, then only you can build your business. You have to how you are marketing yourself, how you are promoting yourself. So if you see forward, the business opportunity like what embracing, so the market size. So how you are going to keep relationship, the contact business. So normally in the contact business will give long time success. So how we are going to manage the cash flow. These are 5 important things. For initiating a business, let me tell you, the business, if anyone having idea, so innovation is the main thing. Before once you have an innovation, what you have to do? So once you have innovation, you really want to succeed as a businessman, you have to register a company. You have to register a company in MSME. So everyone knows the MSME, micro, small, medium enterprises. If you not really know about that, how to go for registration, you can see in the YouTube. So like Udayam registration is there. So if you register a company name as per your wish, you can see the goosebumps. Like, I registered my company. Normally every businessman have that one in your name. So like whatever you preferring, whether it's a sole proprietorship or private limited or a public partnership, so like that. So if normally I need a productivity, everyone need a productivity. Normally for businessman, you have to think that what you are doing today. So what is the productivity today? So like that, based on today's session, I'm expecting some people to register in MSME. So whether you are registering MSME, you are entitled to register with the government organization. You will avail to assist a loan and funding facilities and banking lending options. So like that, you are already registered with the government like that. So once you are registered a company, before starting a company, everyone have to know that. So you have to analyze the market size and how you are going to keep a relationship. So how you are going to manage the cash flow and the management skill set. Before I told you, so how you are going to make adaptability, how you are going to be flexible with your co-employees, how you are managing the environment. So the passion and persistence, that will be a main important thing. So we'll go faster because something, what are the innovations available and how we are going to get trained by TBI and how we are going to get benefited from the TBI, from CITBI. So before that, if you are really want to be a startup, so what the factors need to build a company, the initial stages, what you need. Normally the two things will be there. So like everyone having a fear and a risk factor. No one will come forward to take for business. What they will say, sir, we are ready to do a business, but we don't have money. But we have a fear. Initially, as I am a graduate, what I will do? As a working people, how can I invest? So if we have innovation, there are a lot of grant schemes available. We will see in the coming slides. So, but for any business, if you are not doing now itself, we have to prepare the servers and research and the competitive analysis. So for that, you need a business model canvas. So who are your key partners? What are your key activities? What are your value proportions? So what are the value you are going to give to the customer? So who are your customer relationship? What is the customer segment? So what are the channels? Whether it's a digital marketing or platform, what channels? If it is someone in the earlier days, the brochures, pamphlets, leaflets. Nowadays, you can see the digital cards himself comes through a digital. So like what are the key resources? So if you see the customer segments, due to the pandemic situation, there will be a plus and minus. So some people already achieved more customer during this time. Some people, the business people I'm saying, so the business people lost their customers. Why they lost their customers? So based on their business, if you see from grocery sectors, so in delivery partnerships, so like if you see the Zomato, Swiggy, let's say jumped from food delivery to the grocery delivery. So how they are survival? So it's like a survival of the fittest according to the circumstance. So people are getting more segments. So the customer segments, you have to think it, how can I achieve the customers? So like cost structure and revenue streams, the main ultimate thing. So everyone will do the business, everyone will be a businessman, but if you can think that it's a successful, we can't say it's a successful. The cost structure. So normally for any business, how you are going to present it, how you are going to prepare it for your pitching also to the TBI or to the pitching angel investors, the private investor or the funding agency. What is your innovation? So how you are going to convert it within a short term, whether it's a long term. So like what are the investments you require for infrastructure and machineries, for the software, for the hardware. So like the revenue, how you are going to achieve it within 3 years or 2 years. So if you think that if you are getting, for example, if you take your hotels, if you're going for a hotel, if you think that you are getting a per day 5,000, so per month it's like 1,50,000. If you less the expenditure, if you think that the remaining thing will be a profit, it won't profit. See, it will take for minimum 1 year. So that you have to reach the break-even point. So like assets are there. So yeah, that will be for you only. The asset like under machineries and the infrastructure and for the building. So the thing you have to calculate it. You have to know what do you mean by break-even point. So you have to calculate it. So that financial model you have to prepare the good financial model. You have to prepare it. Otherwise, your business won't be successful. So the revenue streams, how we are going to get a revenue within a short time. So like that, how we are managing the revenues, how you are increasing the manpower, how you are upgrading your business like that. So this is the common thing we have to go for all business. If you're going for a technology based, if you're going for a software based, if you're going for hardware based, for anything, if you're going for consultancy based. So if you really want to join that entrepreneurs skills and like entrepreneurial pathway, so you have to be inspired and learn, and you have to be a founder, and you have to then start up. After that, you have to scale up your business. The final thing is a champion. So now initially we're trying to give a inspire. So if not only through us, so you have to come across more inspiration through from your art itself. You have fixed something. You will think that it's a placement is a good thing, that I am placed by third year, I am getting a money. But how long you're going to get money? If any crisis happens, you can consider the current pandemic situation. How many people lost their jobs? Through all over world, you can see everywhere. See the economy, see the US dollar rate. If you see the Qatar real rates and the petroleum rates, if you see the compare economy, if you go for economy crisis, there will be a lot of things happening. So people are not getting aware of that one. So if you people are coming forward to get promote the self-employment, so like empowering the startups will improve the economy. So that's why we are just pushing forward to initiate and develop this TBI to bring and that, like, what can we say? So we are considering more ideas. We are inviting business more ideas to convert them into a feasible model. Like that, we're inviting more startups. So if you go for incubator, so if you, it's nothing but if you see from eggs that are getting hatched through incubator, the hen's egg, like that. If you see the baby, so why the incubator using for the baby? If it is a 6 months baby, actually normally it won't be a healthy baby 6 months, but the situation which is worst for the mother. So what they will do, they will deliver it and they will keep in the incubator to save the baby. So like that, it's a incubator. If you enter the incubator, if you are entering our TBI, if you bring your idea, so we people are supporting how the ideas getting transformed into a reality. It's like in a real-time implementation. You see the incubator itself, the I stands for innovation and N for network and C for competitiveness, and U for understanding the roles, whether your potential ideas having meeting the public and private sectors, B for buy-in and I for access to resource, and T for technology, O for outreach, and R for reviewing the monitoring and the evaluations. So in that, everything is there. So business incubator, what I said, everything. So what we are doing, we are providing services. It's a business advice using a mentors and advisory board. Team boards are there. There are a lot of experts are there. If you want to get to some technological mentoring, if you want to get that project converting into a proposal, so you want that technical advice. So like you have a problems, you are facing some issues in getting a solution. So we have expert panel, we have industry connect. So how we are going to get network? So like if you are sitting inside, you will get all kind of facilities. So like there are a lot of business incubation. We can see the 4 phases. So like pre and early and classic and graduation. So what you will get in pre-incubation. So once you are entering the TBI with your ideas, you can get the research support. So the training, so how your business model can be converted into a feasible model, the planning thing. In the early stage, you will get the advice marketing. The classic, you will get accommodation, funding, access, and networking. In the graduation, you will get a marketing support. So if you see from classic incubation, the main thing, accommodation. So that I want to bring out. So what accommodation? That we'll see in the coming slides. So how to incubate the startup. So like that, before I explain how we are going to approach it. So if you enter the business incubation with your ideation, how it's going to be converted to a prototype, it's everything is a value chain development. So which will increase the efficiency of stakeholders. So once your ideas are getting validated, then you will be entering as a startup. So you will get a more market opportunities. So this is the process model you can see. So normally, if you're entering a TBI, everyone will ask, so what is the process? How I can get my ideas getting transformed into a reality? If we'll go for application for incubation, so we will select the incubators based on the ideas and feasible model. We will have a MOU. So in the formation of a company, what I told you, you have to register a company. We have a well-trained and well-expert auditors. You will have a company registration. You have to form a company, and also will have a business plan, market research, consultancy, legal, and the periodic assessment. So that through the assessment, your idea gets validated. So final thing will be a graduation, and the final thing, that last thing will be entrepreneur. This is the business incubation process. What I said earlier, it will come to the start and final process, how the idea is getting transformed. This will be the life cycle. So you have to develop a product idea. So you have to demonstrate it. Whether everyone will have an idea, but you have to demonstrate how your proof of concept will be. So how the concept going to be a prototype, how it fits the market, how it's create impact on the society. So we have to refine the product. Maybe everyone will do the process, but maybe there will be a lot of change. You should go for a novelty. Now it's a competitive world. everyone will do the innovation. So, but how we are going to make a novel, how we are going to make unique in your process or in your product, everything. So like you have to go for a first commercial scale, and after that you will get adoption success. So what are the activities? So normally what I said initial. So there are three things: inspire, innovate, and incubate. In your inspire, we now initially we are doing. So you have to get industry interface, and you have to attend some webinars and lectures. So normally you have to attend the speech of successful entrepreneurs. What really they done in the past years and in the business, how they face the crisis and how they come across. So everything. So the innovate thing. So once these things have come across, what you do, we will provide a lab access, and you can do your hardware and software applications, and that field trials and everything like research support, research and development. So you will see the market study. The final thing, incubate. So the incubation. So everything what I said, business plan preparation, and you will get a lot of hands-on session and trainings through the expert panels and through the successful entrepreneurs. You will pitch the business ideas. Normally for people, we won't prefer to get a link up with the banks, because normally for innovation there are a lot of supports given by the state governments and central governments to the granting schemes. We will see in the coming slides. So if not getting a grant, so you will go for angel investors, so who will invest for your projects. So for the initial marketing support, you will get through us. So the objectives, we can say simply, we are incubating your innovation. So incubating your ideas. So like that, you will get graduated with your ideas to be scaled. And also we are empowering the people, and also through efficient investment. So what are the high packing entrepreneurs are getting? So the networks, so the experience will be exchanged. If you are sitting inside our incubation area and the co-working space, you will get a business inside itself. So maybe someone will have a demand inside itself. You will fit the demand for them. So like demand versus supply. So you will get experiential learning and mentoring and education and training and legal advice. So equity empowerment, so like that. So the incubation services, so simply we can say it's a flow of process. Initially, once the idea getting validated, you will have infrastructure. So I want to point out one thing. Never ever you can see in the incubation area, the co-working space, the office space, everyone will be working in a commercial model. So ours is a not-for-profit organization, Chennai Institute Technology Business Incubator. We are giving everything as a free of cost for the first year. But so you have to utilize it. For that, if you see, no one will give for a free of cost. So you will have incubation spaces, and you will have your computers, and then for common basic amenities things for the pedestal and the remaining things, and also for common cafeteria, and everything will have access. And you will get a business services and networks and finance facilitation and the market linkages. So initially the 10 startups, example I'm saying, the 10 startups are working together in our TBA. So you will have different types of exposures. You will have a demand with supply. You will have a different marketing exposure. So you will get incubated. If you are sitting in outside, so how you will get the networks? So the initial stage, you have to get assistance through TV. You can utilize the services. So this is the thing which we bring out once again, like you will access to angel investors, you will get mentoring, you will get technical assistance, you will go for IPR. So people having innovations, what they will do, someone will done it in the same sector. So for any journal, or I think somewhere maybe aware of that, you will have a copyright. And if you are having innovations, you will go for a patent rights. The patent supports, we are assisting you with the expert committee, panels is there. And you will have a shared operational cost, and also this workplace, which I said it's free of cost. And for the marketing, so the main thing, what everyone will say, sir, I'm starting a company, I'm coming forward, and I'm having an idea, everything was invented. So how can I get the industry connect? How my ideas, how my innovation? Like I'm developing a e-vehicle, so I manufacture a vehicle. So how can I sell it? So how can I get more productivity? So what is the industry? Where is the industry? Whom I'm getting orders for it? So for that, everything will get answered inside our TBI. So like that, the co-working space, just the similar model which we are going to construct inside that one, you will have access, what I said earlier. So apart from the features which I explained, so you will get the flexible space for office meetings, events. You will have your office meetings inside our conference hall. You will have your training inside our conference hall, everything free of cost. And also you will bring your people for a presentation. You will pitch your ideas, the ideation room, the boardrooms, everything will be there. So like it's a meeting place for, if you go outside, you think that how commercially they are charging for, if you went to IIT, if you went to other places, how charging. You can't easily finish your program. Minimum per hour they are charging 2,000 to 3,000. So will you think that initially you are going to invest for that one? So that's why we people are coming forward as a not-for-profit organization. We are inviting you. So the students, so the academic part is one side. The management itself giving a lot of ways to bring out your innovation and empowering you to develop as a startup. So you have to come forward that if you have, so whenever I'm completing the session, you can approach me with your ideas. Whether you're having a small thing, it will make big changes like that one. So coming to our thrust area, so what actually we are focusing, so the industry 4.0, which becomes IoT, big data, AI, robotics, industrial automation, cybersecurity, machine learning, blockchain, and augmented and virtual reality and smart manufacturing. After that, mobility and transportation, auto, space, rail and defense, the life science, agriculture and allied nanotechnology and biomedical. So the energy and environment. So the people who are studying in the streams comprising, I think we compressed all those things which having a huge demands in the market. So which is require the technological advancement in the field. The robotics fields are getting boomed nowadays. So not only the robotics, so the applications, the robotics applications having a requirement in agro industries. So like I mentored one person, the person having ideas. So like if you see the palm tree, the fronds are like a zigzag. So people are not climbing the tree due to the issues, not getting a manpower, the farm owners. So nowadays, if you see the Nira, in Tamil we can say as a Padanir. So these generations are getting destroyed due to the inefficient manpower. So the people are going towards some other jobs like that one. So we people are thinking that what we have to do. So this is the problem. So how we are going to give a solutions? The IoT based company. So they have into R&D. So they are planned for going for autonomous tree climbing robot using a robotics. So it's wheel operated, and then it will take 1 person capacity, which is up to 90 kg weight. So that is in R&D. So like that, we have to come forward. So already there are innovations available that is semi-automated, like for coconut trees and for arecanut trees, it's a motor operated. So we people are using robotics and also using 3 types of operator mode, like a motor operated and diesel operated. So like that, you have to come forward. If you see from farm to fork, I said that there is a supply chain management, lot of opportunities available to create a technology advancement. So in the e-commerce field, so you can see a lot of apps available. You people are belongs to software developments. The people are, due to the pandemic situation, avoiding a conventional mode, everyone is ordering through the apps. Everyone is creating new apps. So, but how you are going to be unique? That's why I said the blockchain. In the blockchain, if you see everyone saying organic producers, how can you believe that whether it's organic producers? If you see the blockchain technology, you can go through what do you mean blockchain. The blockchain means from farmer to for end user, there will be a lot of chain management, value chain is there. So people are saying that they will keep on label that which are organic producers. So how we are going to find out the reliability and traceability? So like a barcoding system. So it will it starts from farmer. So after that, what he will do? After cultivation, he will go. It will take it to the warehouse. Before warehouse, what he will do? He will go for a processing. In the warehouse, where it will goes. So which mandi it goes, which commission agent it will goes, which supermarket it goes. So everything will be show in the blockchain technology. So you will see the traceability and reliability. So it will show the hybrid, which hybrid they cultivated. It will show when it cultivated, whether they applied any pesticide, whether they applied any residues, whether they applied any chemicals. Like so many things are coming in blockchain. So nowadays, like virtual assistants. So everyone is using a smartphones. The smartphones, how can we say user friendly? Using the virtual assistants, you can go without using the touching the mobile phones. Like that, you can bring out a lot of things. We will see in upcoming slides. What are the opportunities available in our trust areas itself? So before that, what is the periodic assessment and evaluation? So okay, so the ideation stage, innovation stage, you people are bringing ideas. So what we will do? So we support you to develop your ideas into concept development, and you have to find out the opportunities, whether new product is having the feasibility, product development, whether it's meeting the market. So we have to assess the market with the competition analysis. So business model planning, how we are going to convert it into a project proposal and how we are going to achieve it. So the modeling, the founding team. So then the IPR, whether it's unique or whether you're having innovation. Then the seed funding. This will become an ideation. Then will be a pre-market stage. Once the idea gets approved, means whether the idea gets worked out. So after that, you have to show the proof of concept. That is the prototyping stage. Then you have to develop the products with the enhancement. then financial assistance you require. Normally for everyone, that is the main scenario, because for developing prototype also, everyone is lacking behind the money. So for the prototype also, there will be grants are available. If you're having ideas, there will be a lot of grants available. I will tell you in the upcoming slides. Then you will go for a test marketing. So if you see the dictionary selling people, that is a big success for them. If you think that direct marketing is not a good thing, but people, everyone, the successful business entrepreneurs came through the direct marketing only. You have to approach the customer directly, then only you can see the constraints, what actually they're looking from the business people, what actually they need it from us. So like that, so many things are there. So you have to go for a full scale business planning, including production, sales, and processing. So the implementation stage. So everything you are coming across, you across that one. So how we are going to implement it, how we are going to scale up, how we are going to get the revenue within a 6 months, within a 6 years or 7 years, like that one. So you have to pitch for a venture funding. There are a lot of venture capitals are available. So there are equity fundings are available in the market. You see, you only having ideas, that only we people are asking you. So you have to present your ideas. You have to come forward with the ideas. No need to invest it. So there are a lot of grants, a lot of equity funding available. They will be a partner for your business. So there will be a lot of R&D they are supporting. So how we are going to scaling up the operations? So normally for anything, you need to go for a commercialization. How you are commercialize your product into the market? How you are going to commercialize your process? How you are going to commercialize your product? So the maturity information. So final thing will be exit stage. Everything will come across, you will reach exit stage, whether you are reaching national or global. Initially, I told that whenever you are forming a company, you should have your business plan, how it's going to be. You have to keep your introduction, what is your company, what objective you are focusing, what is your mission, So whether it's a sole proprietorship or a private limited, so your overview of the company. So and then you have to point out your concept and proposition, which I said earlier, value proposition, the product description, whether it's a product or process or technology, interventions or advancement, everything. So what is your innovation looking forward, whether having a market opportunity? So whether having opportunity or there is opportunity in the market, like that. So you have to work out for the competition survey and the development plan, and also for the milestones when you're going to achieve it. Then marketing plan. So with that. So if you think that if you're doing without having a accountability, you will achieve a success, it won't. So like that, you have to prepare the plans and also like a chart for your organization. Whether if you're having a 2 manpower, whether you're having a 2 assistant, you have to maintain a chart for that. What is your management actually? Then financials, which I told you, the cost structure and revenue streams, and what is your strategy, whether it's a risking and de-risking. So like the thing we have to prepare it. The commercialization process, what did it be actually from the idea, startup, development, growth, and maturity. So how we are supporting incubation and mentoring and investment. Okay? So from idea to development, these 3 processes will support you. So like that, so many things are there. So you have to come across. So lot of things are there, like in commercialization, how you are going to pitch out to the venture capital or equity funding, because they will ask for a long-term focus. Then the incubation period, so like from stage 1, stage 2, so until from idea to maturity, there are a lot of process. If you see from cash flow, how it's flowing, so how it's from founders, how it's from anyone, what is your primary contribution. So like the things are coming. So if you see the comparison between incubated ventures and non-incubated ventures, if you see for investment per venture, if you are getting incubated under TBA, you will get 5 to 10 times the investment. If you see the output, 5 to 6 times. But if you won't get it in non-incubated ventures, if you see the jobs wise, you will provide jobs to 3 to 4 times to the employment. This is the one venture factory. Actually, what actually they've done. Everyone have idea. They are doing ideation, whether that's fitting the market. So they will do the more product market fit analysis. After that prototyping, they will go for minimum viable product, that is a beta launch. After that, they will see the strategy, marketing strategy, so how the target customer expects, then it will go for a market. So like that, it's getting in the Bangalore. So as I said, so coming to the main thing, the technologies and opportunities under innovation, what is available around our thrust areas. So really, if you want to pursue or carry you into a self-employment or into a startup, if you really want to bring out your innovation to the society. So the main motto, bring out your innovation which supports society, everyone will get developed. The placement thing, maybe if you think that you will see the safer side, that you maybe invested something, you have some commitments, and also maybe from your parents side they will think that don't take risk initially. But that is one part. That is earlier days you will see that the risk factor will be a very critical factor or crucial factor, but you have to see the current scenario. So you will earn, while learn also you can earn, and also you can earn more and more compared with your employment. If you see in self-employment, see if you go for robotics and other things, if you see what are the opportunities available, the assistive devices, healthcare for disabled person, and robotic technologies for internal condition assessment and detecting defects. If you see the software application, maybe you people having awareness about the Pega software, other thing, the software application is ruling everywhere. Then electrical vehicles manufacturing, the technologies, the innovation which I'm pointing out to you, which covers all your streams, which is under our CIT. The person belongs to civil, the person belongs to biomedical, the person belongs to CSC or EEEC. Everyone, in every streams, there are a lot of innovations available. So like smart dustbins and agri-smart fencing and intruder and drones using AI. Maybe some people having awareness about the agri-intruder, how we can drive away the animals from the field without harming the animal using AI. And the smart recliner and the mat laser and the vending machines, the farm mechanization. People, what they will do after completing mechanical engineering, they will think that we completed mechanical, but we are not getting a place in our mechanical because we are molding to EC or IT department, some other departments. Why you are thinking like that? But people having that is the demerit is from their side only. They don't have awareness. If you go for mechanization, if you go for agro industry, there are a lot of mechanizations available. Why can't you try the processing area? Why can't you try the cultivation area? Why can't you try the weeding practices, irrigation practices? There are a lot of mechanization available. Normally, earlier days they're using ploughing methods. Now everything was power operated. So you have to think that. So a lot of things are available. If we go for food technology, the extruder. So what we are eating less and what we are eating the corn puffs, it's an extrusion process. Our technology, the engineering technologies are there inside. So the snacks production unit fully converted by through the technology interventions only. So like that, lot of things are available. If you go for automated irrigation system, a lot of things are available. If you see the supply chain management and e-commerce, how many apps are available, but how you are going to be unique? So which I said earlier, blockchain technology and smart space, embedded security. That embedded systems, so many embedded systems are getting boomed nowadays. The vibrant sensing, hearing, the Autobots and Fitbots, and industrial IoT and automations. Everyone is rounding around the IoT. Everyone needs IoT. If you see the Japan companies, if you see the European companies, everyone need IoT. Everyone wants my system to be support through IoT based like that one. So machine design and fabrication. I'll tell you some examples. Normally into agro industry, I'm saying normally if you take palmyra or some fruit crops, which is not grow throughout the year, you will get the fruits only through the season. It's a seasonal crops. What people will prefer in overseas, I need it during the off season also. So what mechanism is there? That is the dehydration mechanism is there. Using a spray dryer technology, you can convert the liquid into a powder form. So whenever we need, it will available throughout the year. If you see, whenever go to the tea shops and cafe, you will see we will have a badam powder. So like that, whenever you go for you need a palmyra nira powder, you will have it. It will have a more nutritional contents. So like that, so many things are available. Why can't you design why can't you fabricate a spray dryer? Why can't you fabricate a machine into industrial automations which covers the needs of the low level people, like low level farmers, because normally they are having a lot of harvested fruits or vegetable, whatever we can say, what they are doing during the more production time, what they are suffering, what they've done, they will the price will go less. For tomato, they will fetch for 1 rupees or 2 rupees. What they will do, they will throw in the road itself. What they will do, they can't keep it because it's a perishable product. So what actually, the fruit pulper is there, but how can we make into automated? Fruit pulper is in a mechanical mode. So how can we use the technology to be converted into automated mode? How can get the more productivity? So through the tomato, we can get it into paste and puree, chas and soups. We go for fishery industry, lot of value addition products. So why I'm saying the automation into machinery, the machine automation. So if you see in agro, there are agro post-harvest technologies are available. After harvest, there are a lot of post-harvest technologies into processing and including packaging and storages and warehouse management also. When you process the product, it needs automation. It's that then only it will go for enhancing the shelf life. So for that only, I'm just putting an example in the post-harvest technologies. Extruder, which I said earlier, normally people won't prefer. Even myself also won't prefer when I'm taking a red rice. Normally in Kerala side, people will have a red rice, so they won't prefer to eat it because normally we will eat a white rice. This ponni and that other hybrid varieties. So what they've done, they will convert into a snack mode method, like puffed rice using the airflow puffing machine. If you see, if you can see in the net itself, you puff, which is manufactured in China on the machine itself. Why can't we do it here? So in wheat also, in corn also. So everything there will be a converting the raw material into puffed one. So normally children will prefer. We people also will prefer. We people are going addicted to the junk foods, but healthy wise, it's not good for us and also not hygienic and also not nutritious. But when you go for this red rice and other things, it will get more nutrition and also more vitamins. So everything will place. Before I said the palmera using a spray dry to convert a powder. Why can't we go for lemon? So where is the device? If the device is there, but for some process there won't be a device available. Why can't you develop it? So one of our startup very close to me, he invented one gadget which is for whatever you want, for food items, for fish items, for perishable items. He developed one gadget using a thermodynamics principle, increase the shelf life for the fisheries, for the fresh fish for 1 year. It will act it like a fresh. So like that, so many things are available. So using thermodynamics process, he invented that gadget. So which is coming around 30 to 40,000 only. People are not having that awareness, but he reached that grand level. So he will make some revolutions. So if you go for coffee decoction, it will go for 1 year. So like that value additions. So why I'm saying the post-harvest technology and value addition, in between that there are a lot of scopes are available. So if you go for baking, if you see baking, normally oven, but nowadays getting upgraded to with PLC attached, a cookies dropper. Within the 10 minutes, you can see 400 biscuits at a time. So why can't you develop the technology with some unique natures? There is a technology, but you can make it into advanced level. So like that, I'm just pointing out so many things are there. So which I said, food technology in itself, it's a water treatment, virtual and augmented reality in medtech and medical devices, healthcare and education sector. So hardware applications. So there are a lot of remote sensing and cloud devices available. We can see one example in our campus, the hydroponics, the advanced hydroponics R&D model. So normally nowadays a smart farming system came. You can see the pH level of water and you can see the climate control and you can see the soil level, everything through in the phone itself. That is a smart farming. The data will be stored in the cloud itself. So why can't we do it? So like that, I'm just pointing out other things also, like industrial automation and instrumentation, waste management, then aerospace, delivery and logistics. Then nowadays we're getting boom new age construction for a modular foldable houses and food nutrition. So like that, so many things are there. So design and manufacturing for that eyes cleaning, the ophthalmic screen. Whatever I'm pointing out, these are already the thrust areas are there, and also some of them already invented, some of them is not invented. So maybe you are coming across that one, you have to come across. Maybe I'm pointing out, maybe a lot of things are there still apart from these ideas. So gas turbine technology, which covers the energy and power, digital quality management system, 3D visualization, lightweight material technology, energy storage alternatives, investment banking, passenger e-vehicles, digital health for diabetics management, so advanced composites, constructions, automatic electrical vehicle, nano-engineered diamond coatings, big data. So a lot of scopes are there. So DC appliances, medical imaging, pharma, vaccines, medical devices security, indoor vertical farming solution using IoT. So many things. So these things are a lot of, apart from that, lot of things are available. That is your idea. Maybe apart from that, you can also bring out something from your side, so that I'm just needed from your side, so we can add it also. We can add a number of ideas. I'm just, for example, maybe you will also, what are the innovations available? So what I can do, maybe this will be a good example for you. So before I told you the farm to fork concept, so that is the value chain basics. So what actually facilitates the value chain, which is giving additional value to the product. So from farmers to fork, so in between the product producers and process and market. So in between that, what value can be added? So like that, I'm just pointing out. So normally you have to sell the result, not the product. So that's why I'm just pointing out. So apart from that, you can see the upcoming slides. We'll have after 4 slides, we'll have some discussions. So what is the difference between the innovation and inventions? And then so we are thinking that WhatsApp is innovative. So we are which one is an invention? Before the pyramid tea back and before the motorized cars. So before how it's operated, now it's how it's operated like that. Which invention is more innovative? So if you see the modular construction, the earlier days or the recent days, this is iPod also. So if you see the blind Cokes and other carbonated drinks with the logo, how it could be. So the solution is not the product. So why I'm pointing out these slides? So innovation is equal to invention to execution. So where the opportunity is, earlier itself I said the process itself there is innovation, the value itself there is innovation, there is a differentiation, there is a product innovation. So like from professional, the pioneer and marketer and manager, from how you are traveling and how you are achieving. So for everything you need a design thinking. So the stuff, you want to create stuff. If you are stubborn in achieving something, you will create the design, like making stuff how it could be. Actually, what does the user want? If I'm presenting something, what actually that audience, what is your from participant points of what actually, maybe I'm taking a time, you will think that it's too vague, and also maybe you will think that the presentation maybe will be a brainstorming, but after entering into that, so before that, some points maybe no one is 100% having all ideas. Maybe you will get some exposure. Maybe through that exposure, I'm finding out. So what does the user actually do? The selling stuff, how it could be. Who are we selling to? Where do we reach them? With what proposition? Who is buying? Where and why? So like that. These are the benefits of business agility. So the market success, how we are going to be a better way of working, the collaboration. So then only will reach a satisfaction, speed to the market, satisfaction of customer, mindset, and adaptive leadership. So these, for everything you need a promotion, everything you need a marketing. Without marketing, you can't achieve anything. So that's why I said earlier, if you think yourself as a brand, then only your business will be successful. So you have to think yourself as a brand for your business. So how it could be website designing, planning your website and management, then what it could be integration, whether it's online or offline. So how you are going to reach your brand. So through what kind of channels, that one only will give you identity. So that I'm pointing out, this will be a strategy. Whether if you are creating one name for you, you have to go for a trademark of your names. Someone should not copy it. So like that, if you're going for innovation, you have to go for a patent rights. So for a good business branding, what you should have, like a good logo and a URL and a hashtag. So Facebook contest and also testimony of your customers. So many things are there. So these are the schemes every entrepreneur should aware of that one. Lot of what I said that we can't blame the government. Lot of schemes available, but how we are taking aware of those schemes, so that we should come forward. And apart from that, for women entrepreneurs, they are bringing more schemes. I'm just pointing out once again, if you want to cover this pandemic situation, whether we don't know when it's going to be ended. So don't waste your times, whether you belongs to a student, individual or faculty or whoever may be. If you are having ideas, please approach us, our CATBI. Currently, the schemes are available for a grant for 2 lakhs to 5 lakhs. Which we call as Innovation Voucher Program. Shortly, we say IVP, sponsored by Entrepreneurship Development Innovation Institute. For idea to research, they are giving 2 lakhs. For research to market launch, they are providing 5 lakhs as a grant. For your recognition, they launched this one. If you really want to go for this program, initially I said you have to register a company under the MSME, which is a free of cost. For if you really want to be a business, want to do business, or you want to be a businessman, you should register your company. Maybe if you will take time to start your business, but you register immediately, you will see the registration procedure through YouTube itself, but it's very easy through EM registration. So the idea to research, the research to market launch. So we assure that we here to facilitate you to get those grants, but it should have some innovation and novelty. So coming to conclusions, normally everyone will have idea, but people don't have a platform to pitch it, or people don't have a platform to how to convert it. So thanks to the chairman sir, and also there is a real initiative that we people are coming forward to initiate a TBI. So the TBI the technology business incubator. So what are the interventions? What are the advancements? So into software or hardware or into robotics, whatever may be, into agro sectors or into value additions, whatever may be, you should come forward. The following by IVP, there will be a TNSA event conducted by going to conduct by EDA, Tamil Nadu Students Innovator. So we really expect more participants for that also. We will get a 1 lakh as a grant also. So if whenever you are participating in events, whenever you are participating in some business lectures or presentation or successful entrepreneur speech, you will get some inspiration. Maybe I don't know whether I inspired you, but anyway, you are the inspiration to you only. You have to say yourself that you are inspiration for you. So my great, not advice, suggestions, keep your confidence level high to reach your goals. Whenever you are learning, you will get earning also, so that you have to should come forward. It's nothing to come directly as into a conventional mode. You can approach through the social network. You can approach through the digital mode nowadays. So how you are going to branding your business? So for everything, there is a one solution, that is a CATBA. Every time I'm pointing out for everyone, if an egg is broken by outside first, life ends. If an egg is broken by inside first, life begins. So everyone knows this thing. So great things always begin from inside. So word itself says nothing is impossible. So I am possible. So I need a productivity based on session. If you are bringing, if I'm getting 2 or 3 startups also, I will train them. So we will support them, and we will get it to the ideas to be validated. So what are the things required for them, like that one. So whenever for everything, what kind of activities you are doing, so don't be busy. So be productivity. So you need a productivity. At last, then only we can say we are 100% success in our business. So this is like, I'm just giving us some motivation that stay in Rajini style, that it's not advice, follow our advice or suggestion for a year. So your lands like converted into that transformed model, like that. So ideas will convert into innovations model. So I expect everyone will make some difference. So what I said in the videos is for motivation. So everyone seeing that one, when one door closes, everyone is focusing that one door only. So there are a lot of doors and a lot of opportunities that are available. So you have to come forward and utilize the opportunities. So for everything, you have to do with the passion. So if there is no passion, we can't achieve the success. So passion and the love, which makes success. So I'm just expecting more people to get involved into developing yourself as a startup, and expecting more ideas. So we have a lot of grants are available. So normally earlier I said that the fear and failure, which doesn't matter, whenever you comes forward with your confidence level. So it should not be a lawyer. It should be higher every time. So should not be having a dominance. So should have a higher confidence. So we'll achieve the success. So thanks for all the participants. So if you have any queries, you will have into your chat box. You ping it, and if you want to contact me, you can approach me at any time. So I'm inviting all the participants who are maybe it's open to all, and utilize it, and you will get success. So thanks for the time, and I hope everyone will get their business within a soon time. So thanks for your time. So we'll have wind up our session. Thank you.